What's up? And I am back. Here is a lace closure sew-in video that I created, you guys. My best friend is getting her usual. She comes to me about every month and a half or 2 months to get her a style put in. She is a school teacher, so she needs longevity. But we are doing her a holiday look here within this video. Now, we are using beauty store hair, and it's pretty decent hair. I can't even lie. So I'm sewing that lace closure down here, even and flat. And now we're going to apply that glue for the lace. You're going to do 3 layers, of course. 3 layers for longevity. And I'm using Ghost Blonde glue. And now I'm going in and sewing those tracks in the back and around the perimeter of her head, just so she can have that length in the front as well. This is going to be the quickest tutorial I've ever done, because we didn't get really good clips because she eventually started falling asleep. But I did get most of it sewed in while she was awake, but my camera cut off as well. But we are using Beauty Supply hair and an HD lace from the Beauty Supply to achieve and complete this look. And let's just talk. What are you guys' goals for 2026? Where are you taking your content? What did you pick up this year that you want to continue doing in 2026? I want to continue being consistent with my content and bringing you guys new videos weekly. And if I can't do weekly, I can at least do monthly. I'm going to be realistic, but I am going to challenge myself to bring you guys weekly videos that are things that I love, things that I enjoy. I am coming with more content. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment on this video what type of video you would like to see next, or what would you like me to do. I'm interested in suggestions. But here is to 2026, you guys. I'm going to let the video finish out while I style and lay this lace for her. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos this year. Stay tuned for what I have coming in 2026. You guys be blessed and keep God first in everything that you do. This is Alacia Love signing out for 2026. Enjoy the rest of this video.